If your dropshipping store still depends on AliExpress, you're already losing money. You just don't know it yet. Stick around because in just almost 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the suppliers that ship the products almost in days, not months. And the very first supplier on my list is the Fulfillman.com. The only supplier that I personally use because it solves the problem that you face with AliExpress. So let's go into and see why AliExpress not working anymore and which supplier worked the best for you. AliExpress isn't just built for profitable dropshipping anymore. Supplier changes all the time and product quality isn't hit or miss and shipping is painfully slow. And waiting for 30-day to 90-day for delivery will kill your ads before even get a chance to work. Customer gets angry, chargebacks go up, and your store trust disappear. Even when you find a good supplier, there is no guarantee you will get the same product or quality next time. Packages arrive broken, orders get delayed, and sometimes they never arrive at all. That's why so many beginners quit. So here's the good part. If you're new to dropshipping or confused about whether AliExpress is right for you, this video will change how you see it. Hey guys, 𝗲𝗇 here, and today I'm gonna show you the best AliExpress alternative in 2026 that actually works. And of course, I can help you to build a profitable dropshipping business for free. So watch till the end because every supplier has something new or different you need to know before choosing. So number one on my list is Fulfillman.com. And honestly, it's the complete game changer. Here's why it stands above every other platform out there. Fulfillment gives you everything you need: fast shipping, great product quality, reliable support, and easy sourcing. They don't cut corners. Can't find a product in their catalog? No stress. Just send them a link or product photo. Their sourcing team will find it for you. They handle everything behind the scenes, so you can start selling right away. Totally plug-and-play vibe. Now let's talk about the shipping. This is where Fulfillman.com completely beats the AliExpress. AliExpress free shipping usually takes 25 to 30 days, and spending it up to cost more than the product itself. Nobody wants to pay $15 shipping on the $10 item. That's a guaranteed lost sale. On the other hand, Fulfillman.com flips this with the fast, affordable delivery through the private shipping line, with 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Fulfillment also helps you to level up your store with professional product photography service, so your listing look clean and trustworthy, which makes better conversion. Additionally, integration is smooth too. You can easily connect with Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon and much more. And unlike most suppliers, Fulfillment offers the direct communication on Skype, so you get the fast answers from real person, not slow support emails. Another big win is the product quality. Fulfillment.com has its own warehouse in China, storing items properly before shipping. So your customer gets the exact product, no broken packages, no low quality surprises. If you have a winning product, you can store your inventory into their warehouse for free to speed up the processing time. You can also customize your whole packaging experience with your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and much more. It's an easy way to build a brand without doing heavy lifting yourself. Getting started is simple. Just hit the Get a Free Code button on their website and start building a profitable dropshipping business today. You can also follow the Fulfillman.com on their social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel where they create amazing content. Number 2 on my list is the CJ Dropshipping, one of the most popular AliExpress alternative out there. They offer a huge range of product across almost every category. Can't find the product? What do you want? CJ Dropshipping can source it directly from AliExpress for you. Another big win is compatibility. CJ integrates with almost every major e-commerce platform, and they have mobile app so you can manage orders and shipping from anywhere. But CJ Dropshipping isn't perfect. The standard shipping is slow, around 25 to 30 days, which can hurt conversion. So product ship faster around 5 to 10 days, but it's inconsistent. So picking the right products takes extra effort. They also offer premium services like custom packaging, private labeling, and print on demand. Great feature, but they extra cost. And with so many tools packed in, the interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. So there is an absolutely learning curve. But CJ Dropshipping is a powerful but not perfect. Still solid option if you're willing to test or explore. Number 3 is the SourcinBox. They offer a wide variety of products across almost tons of categories, making it easier to keep the customer happy. Their pricing is competitive too, meaning better profit margin from the start. SourcinBox connects seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Shoplaza, and much more. Their interface is clean and beginner-friendly, easy to navigate, no clutter. But it's not all perfect. Shipping time can be longer, which frustrates the customer and hurts your repeated sale. Product quality is also inconsistent. Some seller delivers great item but others don't. You need to test the product before scaling. Overall, SourcinBox has a great feature and pricing, but make sure watch your shipping and product quality carefully. At number 3 on my list is Zendrop, a great option with a large catalog and 3 shipping choices. Economy shipping, cheapest 15 to 30 days, standard shipping 7 to 15 days to US and 5 to 10 days to UK. Express shipping, pro user only, 5 to 10 days to US, 3 to 9 days to UK and Australia. Zendrop also offers private labeling and access to trending product, but build of the best features are locked behind their pro plan. And it's only work with Shopify. So if you are on a WooCommerce or another platform, this one is not for you. Number 4 on my list is Spocket, one of my most trusted platform for reliable suppliers. Great if you want to build a customer trust from the day one. One feature I really like is you can order product sample directly from the dashboard, so you can check the quality before selling. Great for beginners friendly. Most Spocket supplies are based on US and Europe, which usually means faster shipping. Spocket integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and much more. You'll need both premium and standard products across tons of niches, and you can even source from AliExpress if you want. They also have the white label options, mainly for beauty and cosmetic right now. But Spocket has the drawback too. The biggest one is the limited number of suppliers, especially for global shipping. Since they are mainly focused on US and EU sellers, shipping can also get expensive. Some fees go up to $26 per order, and even US, Canada, UK and Australia shipping can take 15 to 30 days. And because of Spocket's partners with high quality suppliers, prices tend to be higher too. Lower profit margin, which can tough for beginners. So Spocket is great for reliability and quality. Make sure to watch your cost and shipping carefully. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.